Brilliant Crios is a new reinforced composite block from Colteen that features a rapid fabrication process with no firing required. Crios combines the advantage of a hybrid composite material that is fabricated with the Cerac CAD/CAM process. The block contains excellent mechanical properties and is available in 2 sizes, 2 translucencies, and 13 different shades. Brilliant Crios is indicated for single-tooth restorations both in the anterior and posterior region, and while ideally indicated for inlays and onlays, it can be used for all single-tooth restorations, including crowns and veneers. The structural component of the material features a high flexural strength, and its shock-absorbing effects reduce stress transmission, making it an ideal indication for bruxism patients, as well as for cement-retained implant restorations. The material has chameleon-like properties that allow it to blend in with surrounding tooth structure. The restorations fabricated from Crios also show wear resistance similar to glass ceramics, with wear on natural teeth similar to what one would find with enamel. The material, due to its composite structure, requires no firing after fabrication and can be polished quickly and effortlessly with a multitude of polishing systems. Because the material is a composite, the diamond burrs grind the material accurately in the Cerac milling chamber for a precise fit, and due to its composite structure, the material can be repaired using similar techniques for repairing traditional composites. Although fabricated in a similar manner as other Cerac restorations, the Crios blocks have a strict protocol for bonding that must be followed precisely. Once milled, it is critical that the operator does not use hydrofluoric acid to treat the internal of the restoration, as this will result in improper preparation of the internal surface of the restoration and may result in a loss of bond strength. Instead, the internal of the restoration should be prepared with a 25 to 50 micron aluminum oxide sandblast. This sandblast will create a micromechanical retention on the internal of the restoration. After the air abrasion process, clean the internal of the restoration with either a steam cleaner or an ultrasonic bath. This thorough cleaning will remove any contaminants that may affect the bond strength of the restoration. Dry the restoration with oil-free compressed air and apply 1 coat 7 universal from Colteen to the internal of the restoration for 20 seconds. Do not use other bonding agents or silane other than the 1 coat universal to treat the internal, as the 1 coat 7 universal is designed to cross-link with polymers within the Crios block to help form a proper bond. After 20 seconds of scrubbing the 1 coat 7 universal, blow gently with oil-free compressed air for 5 seconds. Now that the internal of the restoration is prepared, prepare the tooth surface for bonding. Depending on the thickness of the restoration, use a cement such as Duocem to lute the restoration to the tooth if the thickness of the restoration or the depth of cure is deeper than the operator feels comfortable curing with light activation only. Apply 1 coat 7 universal to a dispensing well and add 1 drop of the 1 coat 7 activator. If the thickness of the restoration is less than 3 millimeters thick, you may skip the addition of the activator. Apply the bonding agent to the tooth structure with a microbrush and blow the excess solvent from the bonding agent. Ensure that the bonding agent is thin and light cure the bonding agent to the surface of the restoration. Depending on the retention of the preparation, apply a self-etching resin cement such as Solocem or a dual cure bonding agent assisted cement such as Duocem from Colteen to the internal of the restoration and seat. Remove the excess material and light cure each surface for at least 30 seconds. Once cured, clean the excess and finish your margins. Colteen Crios is a new block to add to the armamentarium of all Cerac users. Versatile, Easy to fabricate, aesthetic, and durable, the material can serve in a multitude of clinical indications such as inlays, onlays, crowns, or veneers. For additional questions, please do not hesitate to ask on the message boards of CerecDoctors.com.